This ergonomic electric standing desk offers the leading innovation in radiology furniture manufacturing. This Ergo Tierpax radiology desk is designed with advanced features. It is equipped with 3 height-adjustable monitor stands, 2 CPU holders, an electronic height-adjustable desktop, casters, and a monitor bracket with an adjustable monitor arm. AFC's Ergo Tiered FX is a top-of-the-line radiology reading room desk that exceeds standards, thus providing optimum comfort that serves medical radiology professionals. With a push of a button, users can adjust the desk height to either sit or stand position. The monitor mounts are also independently height-adjustable, which adapts to user-preferred viewing angle with its tilt and swivel monitor arms. For more details, click the link to the product page in the video description.